Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, I will show you how you will use nested loop in Python. Let's start the lecture. What is a nested loop? A loop inside another loop is called nested loop. Suppose this is outer loop. So for r in range 3. This is inner loop for x in range 4. And here I have written the statement. How this loop will be executed? First of all, this outer loop will execute once. Suppose outer loop value will be 0. Okay, and inner loop x in range 4, it will start from 0 and it will complete until the last value, until the last condition. Okay, suppose it will move from 0 to 4 while outer loop is moving first time. Okay, if you will take this example, value of r or value of outer loop is 0 while inner loop value is 0. Now outer loop value is 0, inner loop value is 1. Inner loop value is 2 and inner loop value is 3. Okay, now after this inner loop will not execute more because it's maximum from 0 to 3, from 0 value to value 3. Now inner loop has been finished. Now what happened? Now outer loop start again. Okay, now outer value in outer loop will increase by 1 and value of outer loop will become 1 and then inner loop start again from 0 to 3. Okay, next value, outer loop value will become 2, that is the last value, and then inner loop will start again from 0. Then next value is in 1, next value is 2 and 3. For example, in this case I have two lists. One list is color equal to red, blue, green. Another list name is item equal to dress, shoes and bag. I have applied here nested loop for each color that is mean outer loop, and for each item that is inner loop. And when they will print, suppose it will show first time red. Okay, because it is used to print each color and each color value is first time is red and each item value is dress. It shows me the output red dress. Next color list is still same, that is on red, while item pointer is moved to the next point, that is shoes. It shows me red shoes and same way it will shows me red bag. Okay, now inner loop has been completed because it used to execute 3 times and this is now finished. Okay, now outer loop will increase by 1 and inner loop will start again from the beginning. It means in this case it will shows me blue dress. Then next is blue shoes. Okay, because outer loop pointer is still same while inner loop pointer is moving, and it will shows me blue bag. Okay, next time what happen? Inner loop pointer will come to the first point, and while outer loop pointer will move to the next point. Now in this case it will shows me all 3 input by using the green pointer. Okay, by using the outer loop. Now outer loop value is green. It will shows me green dress, green shoes and green bag. I have written here colors equal to red, green and blue. I'm writing here green. You can write anyone. Okay, then items equal to dress, shoes and then bag. Okay, now I will apply here outer loop. This is outer loop for each color. This is a variable. In Colors, this is the list. Column, for is the keyword. For each item, this is the variable name. In list name, item. Items, what you want to show, print each color, comma, you will give little space, and then each item. Okay, I want to execute this program. Red dress, red shoes, red bag, blue dress, blue shoes, blue bag, green dress, green shoes, green bag. This is the output. Thanks students, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.